Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Check out this beautiful Daytona Yellow 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS Tribute. Loaded with a ton of options, including factory air conditioning, beautiful, beautiful, once again, Daytona Yellow. Hockey stripes on the sides. Beautiful bright work front and back with the optional bumper guards front and back. Front and rear spoilers as well. Once again, rear factory air conditioning too. There's your 350. It's a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. This car is loaded once again, power steering, power brakes, tilt wheel inside, has the rosewood 3-spoke steering wheel that we'll get a peek at here in a second. But you just have to check out the beauty of this ride from the outside first. Chevy Rallies on all fours, BF Goodrich radial TAs on all fours, cowl induction hood. Factory Deluxe bucket seats. Everything's new from top to bottom. Hurst competition shifter connected to your Muncie 4-speed. Very freeway friendly gears at 331. You heard the beautiful sound coming from dual flow masters. This is an exceptional car. I mean, front and back, top and bottom, undercarriage. Please check out the undercarriage pictures. It's spotless underneath there. The word new, as you read our description on this car, comes into play a lot. Frame off restoration, ready to go right now. This is an exceptional car. Please go to our website at CruisinClassicsInc.com. Check out all the pictures, the detailed description that we have on this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS Tribute car in Daytona Yellow. CruisinClassicsInc.com. Give us a call if we can help out in any way with this car or any others that we have in stock. We'll be glad to help you from start to finish. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.